Now, we are going to find for the quadratic equation with integral coefficients whose roots are negative 1/3 times the quantity 2 plus or minus the square root of 5. We have two roots here. The first root is negative 1/3 times 2 plus the square root of 5. The second root is negative 1/3 times 2 minus the square root of 5. We can distribute this 1/3 to each of the term. So we'll have the product of negative 2 over 3 minus the square root of 5 over 3. And then we have negative 2 over 3 plus the square root of 5 over 3. If I'm looking for the sum of the roots, this will be negative 4 over 3. And this will be cancelled. Now, if I'm looking for the product, this is negative 1/3 times 2 plus the square root of 5. And then the second root is negative 1/3 times 2 minus the square root of 5. I'm going to distribute this first. So that will be negative 2 minus the square root of 5 all over 3. And then distributing this, we'll have negative 2 plus the square root of 5 all over 3. Using the FOIL method, I will now have in the numerator positive 4 and then negative, negative, positive. That will give me negative 5 all over 9. Now, I can still simplify this as a negative 1 over 9 for my product. So, by substitution, I now have x squared minus 4 over 3x minus 1 over 9 equals 0. Since I have different denominator and I am looking for an integral coefficient, I am going to find for the LCD. The LCD is 9. So 9 times x squared, we'll have 9x squared. Negative times negative is positive. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Times 4 is 12x. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Times negative 1 is negative 1 equals 0. Therefore, the quadratic equation whose roots are negative 1/3 times 2 plus or minus square root of 5 is 9x squared plus 12x minus 1 is equal to 0.